Welcome back, YouTube family. This is Sub-Zero back in another video just for all of you guys. If you guys saw the thumbnail or the title of this video, you guys already know what this is. We got the full Liberal Addiction body kit, and it came from Japan, Tokyo. You guys might remember last year I ordered this for my old Subaru WRX STI 2021, but I did sell that. So what I'm going to be going ahead and doing is I'm going to surprise one of my closest friends with his dream Liberal Addiction kit. He's been wanting this kit. A lot of people have been wanting this kit, but since I no longer have the Subaru anymore, I thought I'd come swing to his house, get the kit in here to his car, and surprise him with the kit. And just, I'm so excited to bring this to the channel. I know I promised you guys about getting this kit for the channel. I know we had some big plans and builds for the car. I no longer have a Subaru at the moment, but we do want to still be able to bring this, and I want to be able to bring this to all of you guys because of all your likes, all reviews, all your comments. Help me be able to get this kit. So I'm going to go ahead and just make sure I make it a priority for myself to get this kit on the channel and to be able to help one of my buddies that this was his dream kit. So I'm going to surprise him today when he comes home with his dream kit. That's right, I'm in his house. He is not here right now. We're going to be filming him when he comes inside. But anyway, guys, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. Don't follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, man, go after your dreams. But damn, shout out one more time to Evasive for hooking it up and helping me get this kit. Like I said, I no longer have this kit, but it is going to be nice to see a good friend of mine being able to get this kit on his car and just being able to just take it to the next level, man. I always wanted to, you know, help friends out, help buddies out. We're all in this together to build these cars together. So I hooked my buddy up a little bit just because I thought, you know, everything that he does with his cars, the way he treats his cars, and the way he treats just everything, and the way he carries himself in the car community, just, he deserves it, man. So he's been a good friend of mine. So we are going to go ahead and kind of show him and surprise him, man, with this kit. So I'm going to be showing his reaction when he comes home. He's talked about getting this Liberal kit for a very long time. He's talked about being able to get this for one of his Subarus and one of his cars. He's been a super big Subaru enthusiast and fan just like me for years. So what I thought I'd do is surprise him and help him get this kit for his Subaru. All right, y'all, so we weren't recording that whole time, so I'm just gonna act like you guys saw that. But anyway, we had a great response, we had a great reaction. He saw the kit, he saw the front bumper, the rear bumper, and I was a dummy that did not hit the record button. But anyway, guys, man, I am hyped. I do miss having an STI, but I don't miss it over the Type R. And we will get into that in my review between both the Type R and the STI in another video. But this video is all about my man right here getting his dream getting his dream kit that he told me he's wanting to get this too. We've been waiting to get this on the channel, and it's finally here, man. He's saying he might even dive into this later tonight, start putting this on.
Same reaction, I'm speechless, man.
Dude,
I don't know what to say.
When I come next week, it's gotta be my reaction. It's gotta be my reaction to see like what it looks like.
Unpainted though. Unpainted.
Yeah, but still, dude, unpainted looks gangster. Like, look at it. Look, y'all. It looks like a matte black. Like, here, it looks like a matte black. Like, it looks like a tough, like mean kind of matte black right here.
Mercedes when they come factory satin.
Yeah, the satin black. Yeah, no, that's. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude.
That's gonna be so.
Yeah, on camera, this thing looks like freaking aggressive, bro.
In person, it's more aggressive.
Dude, I don't know if y'all can really tell, because it's not on the car. I think once it's on the car, I think you guys would really be able to tell. But us, since we've done around this car, I think we can just already see, like, oh yeah, dude.
Next week.
Damn, like, you can see how flat, like, it just looks like the car is just flat and plain. And you see this?
It didn't do squats.
Look at that. It's just like... It's cool, and then you see that and you're like, damn, dude. If Subaru came out with that, with like the 2022 or something, dude.
This is like their rally car.
Dude, oh, speaking of F1, they got a perfect score. I'm not sure if you saw it down there, but they got the perfect F1 light score down there.
Yeah.
And then you can adjust it. Oh, that's fully functional air vents everywhere in the car, guys. Damn, this is. I wonder how this. Dude, especially this side. This is gonna look good, dude. This is gonna look so good because the vents match. Like,
I'm so excited.
Dude, this is gonna be so sick. The carbon, look at this, guys. We got carbon everywhere. Freaking. Oh, see, you can just take this off and put it right there. Look at that. That's perfect.
You know what's funny?
Oh my gosh.
That's yours.
Is it really? Oh, wait. Oh, that's right.
That's your F1.
That's right. I did give this guy.
You looked me up.
I forgot. I got you the lie. I got my man right here. This piece right there, the APR piece. I got the tail light piece. I forget, man. I forgot that piece is down there. Oh, dang! Look at this. Look at this. We basically built like this car. It's like
we basically built.
We basically are building this car. We're doing a joint build right here, guys. We're doing a joint build, man. This is lit. All right, man. So how do you feel about the body kit, man?
This is crazy.
No, but for real though, like it is like really aggressive. Like it's.
I don't even know what to say. What the heck?
Damn.
Speechless. That's what it is. I'm speechless.
Damn, dude, this guy's
I can
stunning.
only imagine what it's gonna be on the car.
Dude, this is stunning right here.
That whole setup.
Damn, dude, I really like the rear though. Damn.
This is pretty aggressive with those fins.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy, dude. Damn. Yo, this is so sick. And then yeah, you got the wing on, you got the tail light. His tail light. Y'all recognize these tail lights too? Nah, man, that's family right there, man. Look at this. Like I was saying, I was really hoping, man. I was waiting because I was like, I really know what this would like, how you would feel about this. That's why I was like, nah, bro, like,
You gotta get it.
you gotta get it, dude. I know you're like, no, but I was like, bro, trust me, bro, you have to get this, dude.
I should probably do a Type R exhaust since it could probably go either.
Dude, it probably could,
Type R
man.
conversion.
You could just honestly throw. Oh, dude. You. Oh, dude, so many sick things. All right, y'all. So we and the homie got it on. We had to take a whole bunch of stuff off. We got the front bumper off, the rear bumper off. Had to take the crash bars off, but oh my gosh, like, damn! I'm so glad that we are finally seeing this completed. This looks so sick. We still have to go ahead and get it painted, put the mesh on, get the lights on. But this project is so sick. It definitely looks so much wider. Like, it makes the car look really wide. Here's the side skirts, the fin. Here's the side skirts, and then here's the rear bumper. Whew. Damn, look at that. Look at all the vents, all the functional vents. We haven't even put the mesh on. Still gotta put the mesh on. Dang, y'all. This thing looks so good, man. I'm so happy that my buddy is able to get this kit. Like I said, I was gonna do it on my Subaru, but I'm so glad that we're doing it for his. He definitely deserves it. He's done so much, not even for the Subaru community, but been an amazing friend for me too and helped me out a lot. So, man, just so happy to see this car where it's at. Really, really happy for him and for all of you guys. I'm just glad that we can have this, man, on the channel. And oh my, look how aggressive this is. Yo, we can do so many amazing things. Gonna get this painted, gonna get it matched up, gonna get it fitted all right. So gotta put a few other things into the car. But so far, guys, let me know what you think. Sorry the video wasn't necessarily the best in terms of his reaction and not being able to record it. But damn, like, this thing is just, I really do like this. I really think we're gonna be building such an amazing Subaru for just the channel, and I really just am happy that he's able to get this, and that you guys are all able to see this. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you don't follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Let's have a great time, guys. Everyone have a great day, and remember, always go after your dreams, guys. Peace.